we have a table which contains of policy number, date, name, email and gender. What we have to do, we have to filter policy number assigned to each name on an individual date. So what I have done over here, I have considered unique dates over here. Remove individual date, unique date from this list, and name I have removed all duplicates and considered unique names over here. Now let's create a range. Make this as name. Okay. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use advanced filter in such condition. So to create an advanced filter, what we will do, we'll go to sheet 2. First copy the heading. First we'll copy the heading. Go to sheet 2, paste the heading. And here we will create a data list. Data list. Source will be, press F3, select date. Okay. So we have got the date over here. And here name. Again create data list. Source will be, press F3, name, the one which we have created previously. So now let's give the formatting also. So we are done till here. Let's copy. Assume we want a result over here. Okay. So to do this, we will record a macro. To record a macro, first go to customize the ribbon. Check if the developer is selected. In my case, it was selected. In your case, if it's not selected, select this, press OK. So here you will find in tabs, developer tab. Here you will find record macro. Click record macro. Give your any name you wish. Press OK. Now go to data. In data, here advanced. In advanced tab, select copy to another location. In list range, we have to give sheet 1, select complete table till here. Last row, criteria range will be this one, these 2 rows. This will be the criteria range, and we have to copy where? We have to copy the data from here till here. Okay, press enter. If you see, we have got the result 1/8/2025. This many policies were assigned to which individual? Kareem. Okay, and complete its data is shown over here. Now go to developer tab, stop the macro. We have recorded the macro successfully. Now let's create a button. For macro. Go to insert, shapes, select the shape you wish. Create a rectangular shape as a button. Refresh records. Okay. Format as you wish. You want to change color, you can change the color also. Increase the font. Make it center. Give any custom font you wish. Now hover mouse over it. Press right click. Here you will find assign macro. Click on assign macro. Select the macro which you have created with the name. Press OK. Now check. We have changed the date to 2/8/2025. Let's consider new name. The name is Anurag. Just click the refresh button. You will see the record for 2/8/25. Name is Anurag. Similarly, you can check for 4/8/2025. Anurag was assigned this many policies. Now 5/8 on 5th of August, this many policies. You can change the name and check. Rehan. Rehan was assigned this many policies. On 1st, Rehan was assigned 4 policies. Sheetal was assigned on 3rd August. How many policies? This many policies was assigned to Sheetal. That's how we create advanced filter using macro.